Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaway. Today we are unboxing the Ipsy, I think it's the Glam bag. I guess we better check to make sure it's not the plus that I also get. Yeah, it is the Glam bag. This is mine for the month of May. It's $13. You get 5 deluxe size items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size, and you also get a bag with that as well. And we're going to give one of these to one of you. One of the items in here to one of you. So it's really easy. You must be subscribed to the channel in order to win. Somewhere in here is a secret word that's kind of spelled out that you're going to need to know. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. So let's open her up. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking it out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. What a pretty bag this month. Gorgeous. Love this. And then it says Ipsy right here. So I am going to put my glasses on because this font is a little tiny. So the first thing in here is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's a Hydra matte liquid lipstick in Bare It All. Channel your inner 90s supermodel with the rosy brown liquid lipstick. This matte pigments are non-drying and long-wearing, so they'll stay put from your morning coffee through your happy hour cocktails. Tip, wear it alone or paired with your favorite lip liner, bullet lipstick, or lip gloss. The full size does retail for $20. Looks like that. I don't really do brown shades, so let's save this. I'll either do it in today's giveaway or a future one. From the new coat is a barrier culture cleanser. Simplify your cleansing routine with ultra gently yet highly effective face wash. It's a soap-free and sulfate-free, so it won't strip your skin, removes dirt, oil, pollution, and makeup, and helps fortify your skin barrier with a blend of prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. Tip, massage on a dime-sized dollop over damp skin and rinse clean with warm water. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $42. I am a sucker for face masks, so I'm happy about this. This is the Cream Shop Fusion Sheet Mask Duo in vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Both things my face very much needs for days or nights. When your skin needs a quick pick-me-up, these sheet masks are the answer. Pop on the vitamin C mask for brightening benefits and the hyaluronic acid mask for deep hydration and some skin plumping actions. Yes, please. Tip, squeeze the remaining essence from the pouch and massage onto your neck and décolletage. I always love doing that. They are full size, and together they retail for $6. Can't wait. From First Aid Beauty is the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Dark circles, got 'em. Meet your match. This light reflecting eye cream is the ultimate under eye brightener thanks to a potent combo of niacinamide and caffeine. Can't do caffeine. It targets the two main causes of dark circles, hyperpigmentation and lack of circulation. Tip, make sure you apply this cream in a gentle tapping motion, no pulling or tugging. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $36. So this one will go either in today's giveaway or a future one. Rihanna Rebelde Coquette Bronzer. The silky smooth pressed powder is the perfect warm and matte brown shades to work both as a bronzer to warm up your complexion as a contour to accentuate your face. Tip, use a fluffy brush to sweep this powder over the high points of your cheekbones. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $22. Kind of looks like that. Kind of like that one. I don't know, it might be a little light for my skin tone. Yeah, you can barely even see it. But I'm sure it's buildable. I thought it was pretty good. There's a lot more makeup than skincare, so I'm very, very happy about that. What did you guys think about this one? Which one was your favorite thing? Let's give away that First Aid Beauty Niacinamide eye cream. I can't, it's got caffeine and so I can't use it. So I'd much rather give it to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word that was spelled out, as well as your YouTube name. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost and transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through June 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on June 15th, what I'll do is from all the people who filled out the forms. Oh, and you can get bonus entries. You can get 3 extra bonus entries. Only fill the form out once, but check on it if you did the bonus entries. You get bonus entries is one, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's the same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. If you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. So once I have all those, and I'll put into my computer all the names, as long as everybody did what they we're supposed to do, because I do check. And then I will also put in there the bonus entries, like I said, if they did what they're supposed to do. And I'll put that in the computer. Everybody sees the names spin around. The computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and obviously mail the prizes out to the winners, and then I delete those forms. Nobody has access to those forms but me. Your privacy is very important to me. I do not sell your information. I do not collect a distribution list. I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!